Hi guys, today I'm gonna talk about W109 helicopter, which is very cool and easy to fly. This helicopter is handmade by the young guy JHOSYN. As you can see, it easy to spin it using hand. So guys, if you don't want to miss any time that we will be coming, just subscribe and click the like button. And never miss the young Zambian guy called JHOSYN. All these tooth, which is 74, were made by JHOSYN hand, not a machine, and are equal in sizes. Back to business, let's take a look at tail rotor. As you can see, it also spins smoothly. The main rotor head has been set up very nice. The problem, if the rotor head has not been set up very well, the blades may spin at different levels, one below and the other above, and the helicopter may not fly. Let's try it. You see it is spinning nice, that means the setup is good. Okay, bye guys. If you want more about JHOSYN, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.